Manipur'da puthokliba organic pothok-sing yonanaba outlet ama United Arab Emirates UAE da hangdokre. Manipur Organic Mission Agency, Department of Horticulture and Soil Conservation amadi Department of Agriculture ki mitheng makhada chalaigadaba outlet ase Manipur ki Agriculture and Works ke Principal Secretary Arun Kumar Sinhana online ki khuthangda hangdokhe. Thauram aduga mari lainana Principal Secretary Arunna UAE da organic outlet ama hangdokpa asina lamdam asigi organic product kayabu malemgi fambakta promote tawba ngamduna lamdam asibu organic state ama oina branding tawbada mateng oigani loina ngasigi numit ase lamdam asigi amadi lamdam asida leiriba organic farmers singi oina yam nungaiba amadi Puwarida leihoraga dauba numit amani haike mahakna makhatana state asigi oiba organic product kaya India gi tongan ba state amadi malem gi tongan mafam singda mapung fana export tawba ngamkhre makhatarakpa oina UAE gi Ajman da outlet am hangba ngamba asina lamdam asigi organic product kaya bu popularize tawbada mateng oiragani outlet asina Manipur lenga kamadi department na lamdam asida leiriba Laumi Singh Maruoina organic farmers Singh amadi makhoi product Singh promote taunabagi kari tauri haibagi khudam changdam oiragani haike news secretariat leiba office tagi online gi khuthangda outlet hangdokpagi thauramadu da agriculture department ke director Peter Salam horticulture and soil conservation gi director ke Devdatta Sarma yauna department animak ke staff kayaso sarukyakhe.
This shop which we have opened in UAE, it will go a long way in popularizing Manipur organic product in the Middle East and also in other parts of the world. I'm sure the people of Manipur, this will provide a great platform for promoting organic products from Manipur. I mean, people know here many of the things that we do, but it is very important also to let people outside Manipur also know what all we are doing and what all we are doing for our farmers. So as I said, this will provide a great platform for our farmers and it will definitely improve the income of farmers of Manipur, those who are involved in organic farming. And it will also encourage more and more farmers to take up the organic farming because it will increase their income and also it will improve their livelihood. So I hope this venture that we are opening it today, it will really go a long way in branding Manipur as an organic destination.